In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add filters on an image in Canva. So if you just want to enhance an image appearance, you can do this straight from Canva. You don't have to go ahead, use other third-party tools, filter the image and then bring it to Canva. All this can be done in Canva. So I have uploaded here an image in Canva, and this is the image that I want us to add filters. Now, for instance, this image is lively, is bright, and I would like to filter it to reduce the brightness in this image, or even to add the brightness in this image. All this we can do using the filter options in our Canva. So go ahead and log into Canva, and once you are here, upload your image and then go to edit option, which is here, and tap on it. Now once you tap on edit, you can see on the other hand here, you can see now there is an option called filters. Now here you have quite a number of filters that you can apply on your image and then start seeing the changes. For instance, look at that. Those are the changes we can apply. So let's go ahead and sample through a variety of these filters and see which one will perfectly meet my needs. And let me just expand this so that whatever we are doing, you can see it on a large scale, and you'll be able to see the changes as they appear in real time. Just go through all of them, and I'll choose one of these to apply to my image. So there's one that I've seen here. I would like to choose, and here it is, mist. I think I'll go with mist, and that is okay. It has reduced the brightness in the image, and I like that. So you can go ahead and choose your filter the way you want. There are quite a number of them. If you want to expose a list of all the filters that are available, you can tap on see all, and this will expose all the filters that are available on Canva. Now you may also want to go ahead and maybe reduce or add the intensity. So you can use the intensity button here to make the necessary adjustments that you'll wish. I'll leave it at that, and it is fine to me. So that's how you add filters on your images in Canva. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit on the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.